All right, here we go. What do you want to chase? You just want good value, or you want to try to go for something big?
Me?
Yeah.
Jokic, baby.
Jokic.
Jokic rookie.
He's 15, 16, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have any 15, 16 stuff. All right, good luck, sir. All right, first up, we got CP3 base at a 99. Some big baller break right here. Next up at a 99, it is Avery Bradley jumbo jersey. Next, we got Bryce Johnson at a 99 dual jersey, dual rookie jersey. We did get an RPA. RPA is Steven Zimmerman, 4 out of 99, 3 color. Next, we have at a 99, Rick Barry. Rick Barry and the Warriors. Oh, nice cap, nice finish. It is rookie patch autograph at a 99, Jamal Murray, 3 color. Nice. I don't think I've actually hit a Jamal Murray RPA. Very nice, sir. All right, thanks again, guys. Peace.